Hello, hello. Who's ready to learn how to build this 4-shelf heavy-duty storage space? Stay tuned.
Grand Rising, it's your girl B Cherry. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. All right, I'm just trying to pretty much show you my journey with this new business venture. Okay, coming out with a clothing boutique or whatever. So today, this video is going to be about storage space. Really short video, nothing major. Just in case if you were thinking about it, maybe you should do it because your mind is going to be feeling or like that right there. Now, this is my first batch of clothes that I bought. I have another batch coming any day now. And I just don't want clothes on top of clothes. So, about this bad boy right here. Nice metal storage. I'm debating if I'm gonna put it right here or if I'm gonna put it in my closet. Cause I don't like clutter, like when I wake up in the morning feeling like it's everything in my face. But you know, it's just the beginning. Right now it's in my room. It might get so big, go in the living room. Might get another apartment or a home and have its own room. And the next thing you know, boom, warehouse. Okay, we speaking it into existence, honey. Period. Point blank. And that's on Bad Bad Black Sheep Heavy Wendy Wool. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Okay, a warehouse full. Okay. Anyway, so this is just gonna be like fast video of me just fixing this up and going through the motions of fixing this up because I know this is probably an easy job, but I'm probably gonna mess up somewhere. Even with me reading the instructions. I don't know. Anybody out there like me? Just skipping through things, don't even know it. Anyways, yep. So enjoy this video. I just realized I have to be very careful because another thing that I fixed in my home, a coffee table, which was actually broken. I received a refund, but they didn't ask for it back. It was up for some months, and then I leaned on it, and then it just snapped right in that spot where it split, and I Gorilla Glued for like a whole week, letting it dry, thinking it'll be strong. See that? Ugh. So I kind of hit it a little bit, but I just got this fresh one last night, so I need to take it easy. But yeah, so far what we have here is this. This is real easy. This is just piling on top of each other.
Okay, here we have this package, which carries the instructions manual. And then we have these black things that you connect to the poles. You'll see that later in the video. Yep, got a couple bags of those right there. Another one. And another one. And some other, that look like tools. But yeah, you just pretty much open it, review the steps whenever you can find them. Bam, right there. And then you can see the labels of all the items and how you'll put them together, which I'll be showing you in these next few steps. So basically you just trash these little things that come with them. Okay, so here are the 4 bottom legs, As you can see, there's an area to insert. I'd call that the female legs, and obviously it goes on the bottom. No pun intended. Anyways, so these are the male legs. I'm calling these what I want to call them, not what the instructions say. But obviously, you know, I call them the male legs because they have a part where you would insert in the female legs, and then that area here indicates that that should go towards the ceiling. So it's a little bit frustrating, and sorry if I look like I've been crying. I did have mascara on yesterday, and I just woke up and went straight into trying to fix this up. But although these things have letters on the manual, it does not label them as such. Oh wait, but it's kind of easy. Never mind. Bye. So here is one of the female legs. I'm putting one of these black things around it, one of the halves around it. Then I will place the other half on the other side of it, like so. Wata. Ooh, looks cute, right? Now I'm gonna try to measure it, eyeball it, and see where can I put the other. Let's try it again on the other female leg. See, I'm showing you their male parts and their female parts. Oops. Bam, like that. That's the male and that's the female. What do you get when you get male and female parts? You put them together like that. Like, oh, never mind. My nails look kind of dirty. Don't mind that. All right. Yes, look at that. A holy matrimony. I see you. What y'all looking at? So I'm going to put all these together. Bam, bam, bam.
Okay, so bang. We did that, right? These jokers got that on it. Now we're going to attach a shelf to it. We're almost there. Almost there. We almost there. We almost there. All right, so let me make this that fast smoke. Cause yeah, cause I don't want y'all to hear me struggling, okay? No ma'am, and no sir. Yeah, sometimes with doing these things, you learn the hard way. I probably wasn't looking at you guys this whole time, but you learn the hard way. Because this clearly says top, and I guess I kept thinking like, oh, the top means this goes to the top, but I didn't really read all of them because they all say top. So that means this is the top of the thingamajigger, okay? So this should always stay up. If you have it upside down, I guess it doesn't really connect that well, and then it won't be able to fit, or the shelves won't be able to fit through here. So please pay attention to even the smallest directions on these supplies. All right, let me finish. Well, from the looks of it, once you have them in place, it's kind of hard to take them out. And this was like down here, so then I tried to slide it up. It wouldn't slide in, so I put one piece in, but of course this got to already be connected and this won't go in. So yeah, so far so good. I mean, this is pretty easy. Only reason why it's taking me this long is because I'm recording this video for y'all. Y'all slowing me down. But pretty much you just put these things on, slide that bad shelf on there. Put these things on, slide that shelf on there. Then you get the other half, the boy part, stick it in the girl part, screw that thing in there, Another one of these. Another one of these. You probably could have put this on the other part while you're doing this part and then blop together. You know what I'm saying? Now, if I get another one, this seems kind of sturdy. This seems kind of what I like. I already know what to do because that was real easy. Like 1, 2, 3. I'm going to finish this off. Put the rest of this on here. The only thing I don't like is how these really don't fit perfectly. So, like how I got this one hanging with only half of its partner in here. You know, that's just kind of messed up. It's going to be like that for the rest of its life now. All lonely and stuff. But, yeah. So, I'll just finish doing this fast mode till we're done. Because from the looks of the manual, that's it. Oh, and they have this thing where you can screw it against the wall. I live in an apartment, so I ain't trying to screw no holes in this thing. But, yeah, it has that option if you want to screw it against the wall so it doesn't, like, fall all over you and stuff like that.
Yeah, so, doing exactly what I told you guys. Putting them black things on there and then putting on a shelf. Boop. Do it again for the last part. But, yeah, really easy. I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. And best of luck to all of y'all. We ain't lucky, actually. We blessed. Let's make this money. These are the beginnings. You guys are here to see it. So now you can see I have an organized area, no more clutter, my mind is free, and all of these pieces you can get on my website, twerkboutique.com. Thanks for shopping with me.